My name is Sharon Arn, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of VibeRise Smart Pillow. I help people who struggle with stress, poor sleep, and burnout achieve deep rest and daily energy by combining smart vibration technology with neuroscience-backed relaxation techniques in the VibeRise Smart Pillow. Every night, millions of people try to sleep, but their mind just won't shut off. In Kenya alone, 48% of adults report poor sleep quality due to stress, screen time, and overworking. And globally, over 62% of Gen Z and millennials experience sleep disruption. We are living in a burnout generation, and sleep is no longer a luxury, it's survival. Using the VibeRise Pillow, a wellness innovation made in Kenya for the world. Why does this matter? Because mental rest is the foundation of physical success. VibeRise is not just a pillow, it's a daily wellness companion. We offer a tech-driven solution to Kenya's rising mental health crisis. A sustainable product with a 12-hour battery life and washable cover. Accessibility through our goal of local production. And with your support, we can take this from prototype to household name, starting right here in Africa.
Hello, my name is Shanice Wilson from VibeRise. Asking, who was VibeRise developed for? VibeRise is a game changer for so many individuals across the country. Firstly, people with sleep disorders who can't seem to sleep, and those with sleep apnea and sleep insomnia. Secondly, it is made for the hearing impaired. Thirdly, it can be made for military personnel, drivers, and anyone who needs to stay at a certain post for a long amount of time. With the VibeRise pillow, they can help with feeling relief on the lower back, the spine, the neck, and all around, helping them feel comfortable. We need your help with raising funds. With these funds that you're going to provide us, we will mass produce up to 500 units for user testing, which will happen across 5 universities here in Kenya. With this, we have a logistical breakdown where funds will go to manufacturing and distribution, mobile app AI development, marketing and partnership, and admin and logistics.
VibeRise Smart Pillow. Wake up to your best self.